So what this is the simple, like, troubleshooting steps in the Linux. So where do we check the logs actually? Let's say if something goes wrong, or if you want to see something like, what happened in that server. Some user might be complaining, hey, I cannot log into that server actually. I'm getting some error. I'm not getting any error, but it is just a SSH timeout. I cannot able to log into that server. And they will tell us, or they will create a ticket and assign to us, right? And how we can troubleshoot. Okay, like there is a default file system that, most of the logs, all of the logs will be stored in that, like a cloud trail in the AWS, the same way. And which is where log folder. Okay, and these are all the different kinds of logs. Okay, and for example, the where log messages, this is where you can see who is logging into it, who is doing what, and who is getting access. You see that created a slice user of a root or whatever, all those details. You will see something like this. Let's say I want to know, like, what package has been updated most recently. How people will update packages? Using yum, right? And yum log. And let's see what is that yum log. Just one package has been updated, right? And I don't have Java installed in this machine, but let's see. Yum install Java 1.8 star. Okay, your colleague did it. And now somebody will ask you, like, hey, who not who did it, because if you are running that as a root user, you're not going to know who did it actually. A root user did it. So that is, your team did it, that means you did it. Okay, your team is doing, like administrators are doing something, that means you're doing something. Okay, and they will create a ticket like, hey, what was the Java package that has been installed most recently, and can you check, and can you give me the date when it was installed, and things like that. And if you do which Java, right, it will tell you where the Java package has been installed, but it will not tell you when was it installed. All those details, it won't tell you that. And I want to see the packages updated, all those details. This, where log folder, to check the logs and everything in the Linux. Okay, and this is a simple troubleshooting stages inside the Linux. And we discussed about the user, we discussed about the logs, and we discussed about the very good amount of Linux that we discussed. Now let's check the yum logs again. You see that these are all packages has been updated now. This is a yum log. You see that cat yum log. Can you guys get it? You see that installed, this one installed when 2909 March 4. This is UTC, 5 hours ahead to us. So they are 5 hours ahead to us. All times are in UTC. Can you guys say yes if you guys understood this?
Yes, Vishnu.
Are we clear, Madhavi?
Yeah, it is clear, Vishnu.
Divya?
Yes, Vishnu.
Aishwarya?
Yeah, Vishnu. I understood.
Okay. Remember, we scheduled a cron tab, right? Cron job in what is that, in CloudWatch, right? Actually, you can schedule a cron tab here as well. And let's see. What is that? Cat cron. Let's see. Okay. There are predefined jobs already. We'll run the job cron daily in 20 minutes, in 40 minutes. Okay, we'll discuss. So we'll add a cron job actually. Let's add a cron job, and I want to run that cron job every 5 minutes or every 2 minutes, for example. So what I need to do is cron tab -e, that will take you this folder. Okay, and every 5 minutes I want to do cron tab cron job for every 5 minutes, right? And every 5 minutes cron job. Okay, this is the cron expression basically. Let me copy this cron expression. I didn't have to remember this, right? All I need to do just, I will make this 5 minutes to 2 minutes as well. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, let's paste it. And I need to, I need to tell this machine like when to execute this job every 2 minutes and what it should execute every 2 minutes. Okay, so run dot some sh run dot sh, for example, something like this. And let's see. And then let's create a run.sh file. Run.sh. Run.sh. Okay. And print dash echo. This is troubleshooting session. And let's see, after 2 minutes, we will see like whether the cron job has executed this, specific task or not. We will see that. Okay, that's how. Let's say I want to send and reminder email for every 1 hour, right? And I have, the application that needs to be sent a reminder to the user, right? Very simple, very simple. You have your iPhone, and you set an alarm, right? Every, maybe 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, alarm. Whenever you schedule an alarm, that means your application, that app is running on a server. You are installing that, mobile application, but that mobile application is running on a server, running on a machine. So how they will be configured is like, when you choose your time, it will be configured like a cron for that server. And when the time comes, what it will do, it will trigger that whatever the script that I have. Right now I have just a simple script to print my name or whatever name. But if I have some different, make some sound, make some noise or things like that, it is going to do make some noise and make some sound, things like that. And that's how it's like, it's very easy, very simple. You have a mail in where spool mail route. Okay, let's see what is that. cd where spool mail route. Oh, this is okay. Cat route. Let's see. What is it? This is a troubleshooting session. You see that? The cron tab has been executed. This is the cron tab actually. This is the run.sh and this is the troubleshooting session, the shell script. If I have some make some noise or whatever the script that I will write, and it is gonna get that only. Is that clear to everybody? No? If anybody asks you how to schedule a cron tab -e, that will take you to the insert mode. Okay, and let's save it. And let me go here, remove this run.sh. Yes. Done. Any questions before I start the recording? Okay, let me stop recording.